How to make a group on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a group on Instagram. So let's get started to the video. So let's go to Instagram account, and then after going to Instagram, what you have to do is just click on the arrow option on the top right of your screen. So just click here, and then you can see here a pencil icon on the top right of your screen. So just click on the pencil icon, and then you can select to whom you wanna add to your group. So I will select all this, and then just click on the chat here. Now your group has set, so just send hi. And then if you want to change the name of the group, then you can see here, just hold and press this and you will find an option, name this group. So I'll just click 1M ideas. So now click on the right, and then your group name will be like this, 1 million ideas. So you can see the group name. So this is how you can make a group on Instagram. Thanks for watching.